Hello and welcome everyone. In this lab, I'm going to work with cognitive services or custom visions. I'm going to show you how to create that from the lab set that you have for this course in Microsoft Learn. This is going to be lab number 3, object detection. So how to go about it? The first thing is you need to create a resource. Obviously, I have done so because it takes time, but I'm going to show you the steps to do so. In here, I'm gonna find custom vision, and I'm gonna create a custom vision. I am going to create a new group. I call that comp vision. I created a name for my custom vision, and then I chose the UK South. I've used F1, and you should have another option, UK South. Maybe I'll just create a new one just in case to make sure. Another group. And then that is that. Then South. The F1 shouldn't be already created because I've already created it. Okay, now I understand why, but you should have the F1, the F0, you choose that, and then in here you choose UK South, and the F0, then again you choose that. The reason it's grayed out for me because I've already created it, so that's why. So I leave this page now, I go back to my my resources, and I'll find my custom vision page, and then from there you would see the options I have, and then start working on the rest of the lab. So here, as you see, I've fully deployed my comp vision 12322. Don't ask me why I have this number on it, because it just didn't want me to pick any other names. On the left-hand side, you'd see the resource management that I can create, the monitorings, and the bits and bobs of the overview and the access control, and so on and so forth. Okay, so to create a custom vision project, we need to train an object detection model. You need to create a custom vision project based on your training resources. To do this, you will use the custom vision portal. In a new browser tab, we need to copy or go to the following URL, which is basically will be given to you in your lab, so customvision.ai. And in this one here, we upload images, we train them, and then we evaluate. We go to sign in to our custom vision portal. So after signing in, you come to this area here, or workspace here. You need to create a new custom vision project with the following options or settings. So you call the name, you call it grocery detection. Obviously, the project we'll be working with is the lab of the grocery prediction or detection. So call that this. The description, basically, the name and the description is really anything you want. I'm just going to keep it relative and follow the lab. The resources, we're going to choose the custom vision resource we created previously, which is the conv12322F0, and then the domain, I'm going to keep it general. The next step is we are going to start adding some tags and images. So project type is classification because we want to detect or classify objects, or actually object detection, sorry. We need to choose that. And then the domain, we're going to keep it as general A1, or actually general, just general, not general A1, they're different. So, and then we create. And in here, we're going to start adding some tag images. To train the object detection model, you need to upload images that contain the class or classes you want the model to identify, and tag them to indicate bounding boxes for each object instance. So what happens here, you're going to have a picture that has multiple objects, say oranges, bananas, and what we want to train our model to basically identify oranges. So we're going to draw a box around oranges and then to identify the object. And we want our model to be as accurate as we can to detect our oranges. So one of the things that we need to do is to download and extract the training image. And we will have a URL with our lab to do so. And if you go to there, then it'll give you the zip file for the images. I'm going to download it in my designated folder. I'm going to show it in the folder. And obviously, what I need to do is I want to unzip that, extract all. Okay, so I've got all the images for apples, bananas, oranges, banana and apple, orange, and so on and so forth. Okay, so the next thing is in the custom vision portal in your object detection project, select add images and upload all images that you extracted. And then you need to hold the mouse over object in the image until an automatic detected region is displayed. So let's do this. I'm gonna select all, I'm gonna say open, upload 33 files, and I'm gonna just wait for that to be uploaded. So now the 33 images uploaded successfully, gonna go done. Now the next thing we need to do is we hold the mouse over an image and wait until a detection box hover over the or automatically appears to detect the region and display like this. And then we select the object and, if necessary, resize the region and its surroundings. And then we add tag. So for instance, here we add apple. And in here we say this is orange. And now for this one, we can resize if we, we can resize if we wanted to resize a bit, and we can say banana. Apple, orange, orange. What did I say? Oh, banana. No, that's not a banana. That is an orange. Cool. So now once you finish labeling all your images like this, oh, I'm missing this one, orange, banana. Okay. Once you've finished labeling everything like this, again, banana, I swear I have done so. Okay, so once you finish label everything like this, and you make sure that you didn't miss any pictures like this, then what you do, you click training. You do have two options, either quick training or advanced training. I'm going to go for quick training just because I don't want it to take too long. So train and test the model. Now you've tagged the images in your project. You're ready to train your project or module. In the custom vision project, click on the train as we did now, and it's going to be training for a while. Obviously, I said I did choose a quick training option. After that, after we wait for it to train, then there is a couple of more steps we need to cover, and I'll come back to you when my training finishes to do that. I'll show you in a bit. Okay, so training has finished, and precision, recall, MAP are all in the highest numbers. These has to be high to make sure that your model is accurate enough for you to test. You look at the different tags, at different images counts, and so on and so forth. Now, the next step is you run quick test, and in the URL, you use this URL, which is basically given to you from on the lab. Otherwise, you can use local files, and then you go. And now, if this is basically, the system has predicted 97% that this is an apple, and 95% as this is an orange, which is quite correct. The confidence in our system is quite good, but obviously you can tell that the system is more accurate when it comes to apples rather than oranges.